What's good people? So in this video I'm going to be showing you the strategy that I used to flip my account from $1,000 to $2,000. So basically the account was not $1,000, so I took the account from $100 to $1,000, guys, in a space of about a week. And then I took the account from $1,000 to $2,000. So basically, guys, I've been doing an account flip, and I'm going to be sharing with you the strategy that I've been using for the whole of this year, guys. Since the beginning of 2024, I've been using this strategy and trying to apply proper risk management when it comes to the strategy. So without any waste of time, let's get into the video.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like water while you play me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
And yes, guys, so we are on the charts now. So, and this is US30, and this is my morning setup, guys. But I'm going to remove everything just so I can show you guys how I've been catching those sniper entries when it comes to the market, guys. So, and on the past week I missed an entry right here. I was supposed to enter right here, but I was waiting for the market to drop down into this area before I had set my buys to that area right there. But the market did not come down, so I missed an entry. So today I just saw another beautiful entry right here at the bottom, which is why I had placed my buys right here. But let me go into the 4-hour time frame so I can show you guys how I catch those entries, guys. So let me just remove everything and show you guys how I catch those entries. So yeah, okay, so what you wanna do basically, guys, is to start on the 4-hour or the daily time frame. And I believe most traders do. I think it doesn't matter whether you're a swing trader, a scalper, or what, but I believe most traders do start on the 4-hour time frame, guys. So me starting on the 4-hour time frame basically means that I'm trying to understand the overall movement or the overall direction of the market. So now me of being on the 4-hour time frame, I understand that US30 is actually bullish. I don't even need to pull the trend line. I can clearly see with my own eyes that the trend is bullish. And when the trend is bullish, guys, we are mostly looking for what? For buys. So I wanna focus mainly on this area right here. I don't wanna go much further. So one thing I love to do is to mark my swing low and also mark my swing high. So this was my swing high. This one was my swing high. Okay, guys, I want you to pay attention to the words that I'm saying. Was, I'm not saying is, I'm saying was my swing high, and this is my swing low because it hasn't been broken. I'm saying here was my swing high because the structure was essentially broken. So guys, now since I can see that, okay, price has broken on that previous swing high, that high, the price movement told us that, okay, I'm going to be going up again because I recently broke the structure. Hope I made sense there. So what I'm trying to say is, after a break of structure, guys, most of the time the market tends to come back down for a retracement and then continue with the overall direction or the overall movement of the market or the price. So now what happened here, price broke structure, and in minutes price broke structure, there were certain key areas where I wanted price to reverse, so this was my first area where I wanted price to reverse. But as you can see, price broke the structure, and this is the second place where I wanted price to reverse, but you can see price also broke structure. But on the third for the third time, price failed to break structure, which means here my buys were confirmed, because this is also a double bottom when I go into the date or the 15 minutes time frame or even the 1 hour time frame. So this here is a double bottom which confirmed that price is going to reverse from this area right here. And also the reason I'm saying that double bottom was telling me that price was going to reverse was because there's also an order block here. No, so not an order block, a fair value gap. So about that, guys. there's a fair value gap, as you can see. Let me just zoom in so you can see there's a fair value gap right there. So which means here price was confirmed not by this double bottom only, but also by this fair value gap. So about saying an order block, guys, that's not an order block, that's a fair value gap. So now I knew that from here we were going to target a certain range on this market, and the certain range that I was targeting is this area right here, because this was the recent high, because this was no longer a recent high, it was broken. So now a recent high is this one, and as you can see, price went up and broke the structure. After price broke that structure, let me remove this so you guys don't get confused. After price broke that structure, price came back down into this area, for a retest, because after you break the structure, price will always retest, guys. Price retest on this area and kept going up and broke this structure again, and price came back down here, but it's still going up. And now I can see that okay, price broke the structure again, which means what, I'm waiting for price to drop into a certain area, maybe right here on this low, or maybe right here. But now, since I know that I'm looking for buys because of the way price is moving, I just have to go onto maybe the 30-minute time frame to try and see what's going on, or what entry I can catch. Maybe I can catch a reversal, or maybe price might just go on about the uptrend. So now I also apply the same strategy here. This is my swing this is my swing low, and this was my swing high, and you can see that it's also a double top, which is why price sold into this area. And you can see here it's also a double bottom, which is why price also went back up and broke this structure. So this, guys, is what you saw on the 4-hour time frame. So price broke structure right here. After breaking structure, you can clearly see that price came back to retest, and price is also sitting on this area right here. And this is also an area of interest, because you can see that price is failing to break below the structure right here. You can see 1-2 times it has been failing, and you can see that now it's doing a pullback. And now there's only one area which I would wanna target when I'm putting my trades, but I'm normally not a person who would wanna trade on the 30-minute time frame. But now I know that okay, I'm aiming for this high right here. I go into the 15-minute time frame now and try to see what's actually happening. And if I also see the same thing on the 15-minute time frame, I'm going to place my trades. And as you can see, guys, that price is really moving, guys. You can see price rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times, guys, to break below this zone right here. And this is an invalid fair value gap, because there's no gap here. The gap was closed by this range, by this week right here, guys. So you can clearly see even this week, I don't want to say this is a rejection because it's a week, but sometimes you can count it, but I don't want to say this is a rejection. But here it was a rejection because of this 2 or 3 candlesticks that open right here and close right here on this area right here, and also here, which means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and also 5. You can see that this is a 5 rejection, guys. So which means our buys are confirmed for US30, guys. So now you can see how I've been catching my entries, guys. And don't forget that this week we also have NFP, guys. So I think NFP US30 is going to sell, because today is Monday. If price goes up and break the structure right here, and NFP arrives while price has broken the structure, I think price is going to come back down for a retest, because this is going to pick this area right here is going to be an area where price is going to reverse to. If price breaks here before NFP will sell into this area and continue with the overall direction. But I don't wanna say it will sell, but I'm just hoping US30 will sell. And I also wanna check on the CNBCC app, guys, or investing.com, what the current rates are before I even say US30 is going to sell. But according to my analysis and the way I trade, I know that US30 is going to sell on NFP, guys. So that's how I catch entries, guys. You don't have to make this thing so difficult for yourself. You just have to understand how the market works and yeah guys, basically that's it. I'm gonna put my stop loss right here, and that's how you catch an entry guys on US state. So I'll see you on the next video. If you want to join the VIP group guys, I will leave my WhatsApp number on the description below, and please do follow me on Instagram and TikTok, but mostly I'm available on TikTok because I don't use Instagram that much. On TikTok it's True Traders guys. Don't be afraid to message me, and if you have any questions about the market, feel free to ask me. And the group, my VIP group guys, I created the group for mostly the people who don't have enough time, or people who just don't have the time to learn, and people who are always at work or something. So I've created that group for such people. But if you have the time and you also want to learn how forex trading works, just subscribe to my YouTube channel guys, and I'll keep on uploading. And I also want to be consistent, so you subscribing to my YouTube channel really means a lot to me, because it also helped me grow as a channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please be sure to hit that sub button, hit that like button, and turn on the post notification bell. And if you did not understand this video, don't be afraid to ask a question on the comment section, and click on the other videos that I've already uploaded. Maybe you might understand better guys on how I do this analysis, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.